In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best smartphone food discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for muscle foods discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say this one is up to £15 discount, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get code, and this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get £15 discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get, let's say this one, it's up to 10% discount of your order. All you need to do is just tap right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get a 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.